Calendar debates are a common source of tension in Messianic communities. But what happens when a calendar interpretation begins to contradict Scripture?
I just gave you 4 good arguments, or issues that arise with the Zadok calendar that go against Torah, that go against the Bible. You've got to be careful.
In this month's Love Gift teaching, What's Wrong with the Zadok Calendar? Eric Sandusky, founder of the Bereshit Restoration Project, examines the Zadok calendar, raising serious questions and offering insights to encourage reconsideration. What's Wrong with the Zadok calendar is not for sale, and it's not available anywhere online. Instead, we'd like to give you this teaching as a thank you gift for donating to a Rood Awakening International. When you donate $50 as a love gift in September, you'll get What's Wrong with the Zadok calendar on DVD, Blu-ray, or streaming on the michaelrood.tv app. Donate $100 and you'll get What's Wrong with the Zadok calendar and an exclusive design tambourine for the fall feasts, featuring verses from Psalms 100 and 150. Donate $300 and you'll get What's Wrong with the Zadok calendar, the exclusive tambourine, and a gold-plated wall hanging on stone, depicting the fall feast's harvest. These gifts are a limited-time offer from Michael Rood to thank you for your support. Make your donation today and receive the $50 gift, the $100 gift, or the $300 gift. Thank you. When you donate to receive the Love Gift, you are providing important funding to secure the future of a Rood Awakening International. Use your smartphone to scan the QR code on your screen to donate now and receive these limited-time gifts. Or call 888-766-3610 or get your gifts online with a donation at monthlylovegift.com.